It cracked the window downstairs?
No, it was already cracked. Oh. I already filled with it now.
I'm gonna pick some up after it's done.
See, look, all the hail's already gone.
No, it's not. It's still
It's
falling.
not. There's still hail.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still falling, mate.
Like, how bad? Watch out, watch out. How much hail is in our yard? Well, this is crazy. I'm gonna go record the down that.
Oh, the backyard's bloody. Look at this, guys. The backyard's bloody. It's bloody.
Shit. Well, let's see that.
I know how to see the pool.
Hey, y'all older ones need to quit because you're just making the little ones worse. Just a rainstorm.
I'm recording this. So
It's already started lighting up out there.
no, it's still lightning, but it's not
I
as
know,
bad.
but the light's coming down.
Fixing to stop.
What's light?
Yeah, it's already slowing down.
You can tell. But look
Yeah,
at
it's
all
slowing
that
down.
rain.
Okay, but
I'm gonna go get some of that hell.
it does rain. It's rain.
So much for.
Is the pool empty or what? Oh, I didn't even get to work on it. I just emptied a little of it.
Look. Hey, you wanna know where all the hail is coming from that's coming down? It's coming from the roof.
Yeah.
That's how you can tell. It's slowing down a bunch. That's what
Yeah, you can tell because it's going like that.
it's going like this.
Came out of nowhere.
It really did. I was scared, bro.
At first it was just...
All the power went out. It was crazy. I had to do that. Look how clean that picture is going.
White dot.
That's so much in my yard. Look how much that is.
I didn't know why.
Oh, stop. Cameron.
This is the first that actually goes into it.
Ow.
Because they didn't see it coming?
Yeah, it just came out of nowhere.
Better start by someone to move.
Y'all are still gonna go. It's not gonna last long. What time does it start?
7:30, right?
17.
7:10? 6:11. We have plenty of time.
Hopefully.
We can go later tonight then if it doesn't stop. We can go to 10 o'clock if it doesn't stop.
Oh, y'all just going?
Me, Chris, Corey, and Nick.
Unless they want to go. They're gonna see if they can get the power back on. No, I know what the thing is gonna do.
I bet. You
No,
know
I
how
know what
people
the
are
movies are gonna
watching
be.
theaters? People, they probably
It's probably scary.
They have,
no.
they have generators. They can't because you know how our stuff ain't covered, like on the roof to stop it from just shutting off. Theaters has it. The mall has it covered to where it can't do that.
Look, it's not even light no more. Oh, I know what the
The mall
theaters
didn't
did.
shut off. The
No,
mall
I
didn't
know what
shut
the
off.
theater did. Just in case, I bet you they're, if anything did happen with our power going
That
out,
regenerate.
no, they're gonna say, sorry, no, there will be no more movies airing from technical difficulties, because that's what they did last time.
They could do that. They have to get the
Backup generators can mess up too.
Did you see that?
Can I go?
That came in like a
we don't
full.
have
That came in like a
Just
football. It hit their window and
We
bounced
only
their
got 30.
window off.
We're going. We're already going a
Oh,
little
y'all
late.
three are going? I thought
Me,
Corey.
Chris, Corey, and Nick.
That's 4.
I know.
You said 3.
I said 4. I said me, Chris, Corey, and Nick. Ask Daddy if he paid me. And you can't wear
He put
that.
all his money in the car.
Well, can't wear
Daddy
what?
did?
Courtney can't wear what?
Can't wear what?
You can't
Why
wear
you wearing
that.
a shirt still?
Who cares? Why
Oh,
can't
I
she
know
wear
I can't wear this.
It has to be longer than $1 bill.
Well, why can't she wear that?
It's against the dress code.
That's
Yeah, theaters have dress code too.
There's the
dumb.
dress code too.
stupid.
You can't wear booty shorts there or they'll kick you out.
Who wears booty shorts?
You never know.
Cold butts.
I was there.
I wore
I was there when he
before.
got. I was there.
I
when,
wore this and those shorts. I never got kicked
They
out.
changed it.
They changed it.
Well, then now I can wear this thing.
No, they fixed it. Like the last time you wore it, they didn't.
Oh, they just.
Hey, look, just slow down. Let's slow down, like majorly. No more.
It's not
No.
yelling no more.
Look at the freaking river.
The ice is gonna melt. Look, it's starting to melt. The hell stop.
Why do they call it hell? Hell.
Look how long my thing's been going on for.
6 minutes.
But
not
does
very
it like come from the clouds and gets frozen up there or something?
You just put that on YouTube.
That's what I'm gonna do. My house just got wrecked. Look. It needs some milk. Come on, post it. Look right there. Look at that dot. Why are people driving? You stupid. Oh, where are you going? Oh, don't do it. Yeah, oh my God.